Hey guys, make a sushi with me. Hang on 1 second. Okay, right. This is my sushi cap. You may see these on like YouTube and stuff. And then we're just gonna do it. Okay, so I have a J2O today. And we're gonna just pour a little bit to start. And then I'm gonna, so just like that. Okay, now I'm gonna start squeezing. God, what is this? This doesn't work, bro. Oops. Oopsies. Guys, it's okay. I'm scraping it off. Because this ain't coming off, bro. If this doesn't blooming work. I've had it once before and it worked splendid, but this doesn't look like it's going good. Guys, bro. Okay, I think it's forming. Does this look formed to you? Maybe. Hang on, I'll quickly pause it whilst I give it a good mix and I'll show you in a minute. Okay, just did it. That's okay. I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit before I do more. Do you guys see that? It looks okay. I mean, it's not the best. I'm just gonna let it sit for a little bit. Okay, and then I'll be back when it's done. Bye. We made it a substance. Look at that. This looks so good. Just look at it. 1 second. Just look at it, bro. Look, it's such a good substance. It looks so yummy. You want to come back for more of these videos where I like make stuff and I could make a cake next maybe. I could do pizza. I don't mind. You guys can like if you have a YouTube channel, you guys could send your links to me and I can watch them because like, my comments aren't on. But bye guys. Hopefully you like my videos of making. I know I don't have that many subscribers, but I promise I will up them. Okay. Bye guys.